The ingredients: 6 hard-boiled eggs, some mustard of your choice. I'm going for a mustard that is made in our city, the Tierenteen mustard, but of course you can use some Dijon mustard, some garlic powder, cayenne pepper if you like it spicy, of course mayonnaise, some pepper and some salt, and finally, to decorate everything, paprika powder. First, let's take the egg and cut it in 2. I'm not going to use the rolling technique this time because I want my eggs to be roughly even. As you can see, I already fucked it up a little bit. Then take a bowl and scoop your egg yolk in there and set the egg whites aside and just repeat for all of the eggs. Then let's add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I like it a little bit more spicy, so I'm going for a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. For the mayonnaise, just count 1 teaspoon per egg, so we're going for 6 teaspoons. And finally, 1 teaspoon of your mustard. If you don't like mustard, you can perfectly leave it out. It's also perfectly fine without mustard. Take a fork and just mash everything together. There we go, this is good enough for me. You can also mash it until it's like a complete smooth mixture. Pipe it into a piping bag, but I'm just doing it the old-fashioned way. Take your half egg, take roughly a teaspoon worth of mixture, and using a double spoon technique, just spoon it in there. If your egg is rolling around too much, just take some kitchen paper, put it on there, and it will stay in place. Now, the finishing touch, take some paprika powder and sprinkle it on top with that festive holiday cheer. Not the snow falling from the sky, but the blood of your enemies. Happy holidays, everyone! That's it.